Hello and welcome to another episode of the Basics of Fusion 360. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to navigate around your 3D objects and models in Fusion. So, once you've opened up Fusion 360, the first thing you're going to do that I'm going to demonstrate on this vase model is the first way you can move around is using this cube thing up in the top right hand corner, and as you can see it's labeled, and if you press down on it you can rotate the cube, and as you rotate it the model will rotate as well. And you can see that there's a top face, a back, a right, a front, left, and a bottom. And that's how you orbit the model. The other cool thing about this cube is if you click on one of the faces, it will take you to that view. Same thing if you click on a corner or an edge. And the other thing about this is you can see these arrows here all around it, and if you click on those it will rotate to that view. Now this doesn't apply to corners and edges, but just the faces. And these other two arrows that are kind of curved will rotate the model in that direction. Now, if you ever lose sight of the model like that, you can come up to this cube, which is always in the top right hand corner. If you click this icon that looks like a house, it will take you to a home view and you'll get back to your model. Now, what you just saw me do to get that model out of view is to pan, or to pan, to look at your model, to move it around, sort of, but move around your view of it, but only in 2 dimensions. Is you click down on the scroll wheel of your mouse. And if you don't have a mouse, then this won't exactly work. Now, the other way to orbit, besides clicking on this cube, right-clicking, and just moving the mouse around, is if you hold down Shift and the scroll wheel of your mouse, you will get that icon show up where your cursor was, and that will allow you to orbit the model. As you can see every angle. You can turn it upside down, rotate it. Now, if you want to see the method that I used to make this vase, then you can check out my other video on how to make a vase, or Maker's Muse also has an excellent video on how to make vases, and that's using the lofting command, which I will show you in a different video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep seeing these excellent videos, subscribe and turn on that notification.